Getting rid of dandruff can be a burden, however, if you follow these simple steps on a day-to-day basis, you can prevent it from affecting you. Also, these simple steps are applicable to those suffering from the disease. Here are 20 simple home remedies to naturally get rid of dandruff. 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree has been used to treat skin and hair issues for centuries. It has been used to treat ailments ranging from acne to psoriasis. Tea tree oil has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce the severity and symptoms of dandruff. Mix a few drops of it with your regular shampoo in a cup and rub it into your scalp in about 5 minutes. Rinse it out well. If you have sensitive skin, you can also add a few drops of coconut oil to the mix to make it more moisturizing. Since tea tree oil can be pretty dry, this method is most effective when you use it every day for 1 week in a row. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is well known for its multiple health benefits. Coconut oil is often also used as a natural remedy for dandruff. Coconut oil may help improve skin hydration and prevent dryness, which can worsen dandruff. The potential antimicrobial properties of coconut oil may improve skin hydration and reduce symptoms of eczema and dandruff. You can apply coconut oil instead of your regular conditioner after washing. It also makes a nice hair mask. Rub the oil directly into your scalp and rinse it off after a few minutes. Do it once a week until you see results. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has antibacterial and antifungal properties. As a result, it may help reduce inflammation and decrease dandruff symptoms. It is a type of succulent that is frequently added to skin ointments, cosmetics, and lotions. When applied to the skin, aloe vera is believed to help treat skin conditions like burns, psoriasis, and cold sores. It may also be beneficial in the treatment of dandruff. You can apply aloe gel directly from the plant, then put it on your scalp and leave it on for 15 minutes during your shower. You can rinse it with a mild shampoo. Repeat this on a regular basis for best results. 4. Minimize stress levels. Stress can weaken the immune system and decrease the body's ability to fight off infections that cause dandruff. Stress also often precedes episodes of seborrheic dermatitis, one of the most common causes of dandruff. While stress itself doesn't cause dandruff, it can aggravate symptoms like dryness and itching. Sustaining high levels of stress long-term may suppress the activity of the immune system. A weakened immune system can reduce your body's ability to fight off some of the fungal infections and skin conditions that contribute to dandruff. There are countless ways to reduce stress levels in your life. You might try yoga and meditation, a favorite hobby, relaxing music, or spend more quality time with your friends and family. If your dandruff doesn't go away for a long time, no matter what you do, and you start noticing other symptoms such as redness or swelling in your scalp, then it's time to consult the doctor. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is said to help remove dead skin cells and balance the pH of the scalp. Apple cider vinegar has been associated with a variety of health benefits. These include improving insulin sensitivity and increasing weight loss. Apple cider vinegar is also often used as a natural remedy to get rid of dandruff. Apple cider vinegar is also said to balance the pH of the skin to reduce the growth of fungus and thus fight dandruff. If you'd like to give apple cider vinegar a try, add a few tablespoons to your shampoo or combine it with other essential oils and spray directly onto hair. 6. Aspirin. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, an ingredient found in many anti-dandruff shampoos. Salicylic acid has been shown to be effective in the treatment of seborrheic dermatitis and dandruff. Salicylic acid works by helping get rid of scaly skin and loosening flakes so that they can be removed. Try crushing 2 tablets of aspirin and adding the powder to your shampoo before washing your hair. 7. Omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are important to skin health and can help reduce inflammation. Deficiency can cause dry skin, dry hair, and dandruff. Omega-3 fatty acids play an important role in the body. They also support your immune system, lungs, heart, and skin health. When you get enough of them, they help regulate oil production and hydration, so if you're lacking, you're much more likely to experience dry hair and skin, which causes dandruff. Fatty fish like salmon, trout, and mackerel are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. You can also take a fish oil supplement or increase your intake of other omega-3 rich foods like flaxseed, chia seeds, and walnuts. 8. Probiotics. Probiotics may help enhance immune function and have been shown to reduce dandruff severity. There are many potential probiotic benefits, including protection against allergies, lower cholesterol levels, and increased weight loss. Probiotics have also been shown to help decrease symptoms of skin conditions like eczema and dermatitis, especially in infants and children. Probiotics are available in supplement form for a quick and convenient dose. They can also be found in many types of fermented foods, such as kombucha, kimchi, tempeh, sauerkraut, and natto. 9. Baking soda. Baking soda is a quick, convenient, and readily available remedy to help treat dandruff. Baking soda has antifungal properties and may help relieve itching and skin irritation. It's believed to act as a gentle exfoliant to remove dead skin cells and reduce scaling and itchiness. Baking soda also has antifungal properties that could be beneficial in the treatment of dandruff. Try applying baking soda directly to wet hair and massaging it into your scalp. Let it sit for a minute or two, then continue shampooing your hair as usual. 10. Olive oil. People have used olive oil for hair care for thousands of years, claiming it adds shine, body, softness, and resilience. Olive oil could add softness and strengthen hair by penetrating the hair shaft and preserving moisture. The shine said to come from olive oil may be due to the oil smoothing the outer cuticle of the hair. Massage olive oil into your dry scalp and comb out dandruff flakes. Leave the olive oil in your hair and cover with a shower cap for extra conditioning. 11. Orange peel. Orange peel is said to work well as a very good remedy for treating dandruff at home. But you need to keep in mind how you need to prepare this mix. Orange peel is said to contain calcium, magnesium, vitamin A and dietary fibers which are good for your body. However, when it comes to your hair and curing dandruff, orange peel must be made in the following manner, and applied to your scalp and hair to get rid of dandruff. Here are tips that you need to follow in order to get rid of dandruff. Take the orange peel and then squeeze some lemon juice onto it. Add all of this to a grinder and grind it till it turns into a paste. Then apply the paste to your scalp and let it dry for 30 minutes. After this is done, you can wash it away with some anti-dandruff shampoo. Follow these procedures at least thrice a week and this will help you get rid of dandruff at home. 12. Neem. Neem is a very good cure for dandruff and this has been found in most shampoos as one of the main ingredients. The method of using neem juice on your hair doesn't make it messy like curd being applied to your hair. Hear how you prepare neem juice mix before applying it to your hair and this will help cure dandruff. Firstly, you need to crush some neem leaves till it forms a thick paste. Next, you need to apply this paste onto your scalp and hair and let it dry for a minimum of 10 minutes. Once this is done, you can wash it away with some water. You can also soak 2 handfuls of neem leaves in half a liter of water overnight and wash hair the next morning. 13. Mendy. You can cure dandruff using Mendy. Mendy works well on your hair and softens it. Here is how you prepare the Mendy mix for your hair. Mendy needs to be prepared the right way and this mix has a prescribed manner in which it needs to be prepared. Firstly, mix Mendy with curd and a little bit of lemon juice. Once this is formed as a paste, keep the mixture aside for 8 hours. After 8 hours you can apply it to your hair. Let it dry over your hair for 2 hours and then you can wash it away. Follow the above listed pointers well and you will see the difference. Mendy is natural and this is one simple way that you can get rid of dandruff easily. 14. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are used as a preventive cure for dandruff. Also known as Mehndi seeds, this procedure needs to be followed in the right way possible. Fenugreek is said to benefit people suffering from low blood sugar and boosts testosterone and also milk production for mothers. Fenugreek has multiple benefits such as regulating cholesterol levels and keeps your appetite in control. Here are some simple tips that you need to keep in mind while preparing fenugreek seed to get rid of dandruff. Firstly, you need to put some fenugreek seeds in a small bowl of water and let it soak overnight. Once you wake up in the morning, make sure that you mash the seeds to a paste-like substance. Then add little lemon juice to the paste and mix it well. Once this has formed into a paste, apply it onto your scalp and hair and leave it to dry for 30 minutes. After this is done, you can wash your hair with shampoo and allow your hair to dry. 15. Listerine Mouthwash. Listerine Mouthwash has antifungal properties that can fight the yeast responsible for preventing the growth of this yeast. Here is how you need to use Listerine Mouthwash. Follow these simple ways and you can get rid of dandruff. At first, you will need 1 tablespoon of Listerine mouthwash and 9 tablespoons of water. You need to mix the mouthwash with water in a small bowl. Once this is done, make sure that you wash it away using some anti-dandruff shampoo that will help wash away all the bad bacteria. You can do this in the mornings when you are bathing. Follow this simple procedure and you can see the difference in a few weeks. 16. Lemon with Amla. Lemon with Amla is one lethal combination for your flaky woes. The citrus nature of both lemon and Amla helps reduce dead cell formation. In addition to this, they also provide nourishment to the roots and infuse your dull locks with a natural shine. Mix 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of Amla juice. Now using a cotton ball, dab it on your scalp gently. Leave it on for 30 minutes, and rinse it gently with water. Lemon in combination with Amla can help fight dandruff naturally. 17. Lemon with yogurt. For the dual action of removing dandruff and strong hair, the combination of lemon and yogurt is ideal. The natural enzymes and acids of the combination help eliminate dandruff completely. Mix about 2 tablespoons of yogurt or curd with a tablespoon of lemon juice. Apply the mixture onto the scalp gently. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Rinse it off with mild shampoo. Lemons with yogurt can help fight dandruff and also nourish hair naturally. 18. Lemon and honey. The combination of lemon and honey can prove to be the ultimate answer to several of your hair woes. Honey's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial compounds help keep the fungal activity beneath the skin at bay. The humectant keeps the scalp hydrated, thereby putting an end to problems like dryness and itchiness caused due to dandruff. To the citric juice of a lemon, 1 tablespoon, add about 3 tablespoons of honey. Mix them well and apply them to your scalp for 20 minutes. Rinse it off with mild shampoo. For best results, repeat the hair care ritual once every 3 to 4 days. Honey's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial compounds help keep the fungal activity at bay. 19. Lemon and egg. An egg with a tablespoon of lemon juice can in fact do wonders for not just your flaky scalp but your hair in general. The egg is a natural conditioner and helps exfoliate skin from within. The combination also curbs dead cell production. To a whipped egg, mix the lemon juice. Apply on the scalp and let it dry for 30 minutes. Wash it off with mild shampoo and see the results for yourself. An egg with a tablespoon of lemon juice can do wonders for a hair care ritual. 20. Lemon and tea. Tea and lemon's potent antimicrobial and antioxidant properties make for a great remedy to get rid of dandruff and rejuvenate inflamed skin. All you need are 2 teaspoons of tea powder, add them to half a cup of hot water. And let it steep. Strain the decoction and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Use this decoction and apply it to the scalp. Make sure the temperature is not boiling hot. You don't want to burn your scalp. Let it rest for 20 minutes. Rinse it off with water. Try these amazing home remedies and keep nasty dandruff at bay. And flaunt your tresses in style. Thank you for watching. Give your thumbs up if you liked this video. If you want more health tips and tricks, you can subscribe to the channel.